How to set up Google Authenticator on your Binance. So first of all, you need to start by opening up your Binance and then click on your profile on the top left and click on your profile again. Then you need to click on the security, which is the second option from the top, and then you need to click on Authenticator app and click on the enable. After clicking on enable, you need to simply enter the verification code that is sent on your email address. After that, you just need to now simply copy the code, which is 16 digit on the top of your screen, and then you need to search for Authenticator on your device or download this and click on the plus icon on the bottom right. Now click on enter a setup key and then you need to enter the name of that particular account, which is going to be Binance, and then paste your key and click on the add button. Now need to copy the Binance code and then go back and then click on the next button, and then you need to simply paste the code and click on the submit button. And there you have it, we have successfully added our Google Authenticator into our Binance.